One more time.
You made this?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mo, and I'm back with another video today. Shoot, with the boys, I'm with Gabe and Chris, and shoot, we got this nice parking lot in the background, as y'all can see. They all lined up. The airport, matter of fact, to be honest with y'all. But yeah, man, so today this video is gonna be about sliding donuts. I'm gonna slide the G37 for the first time today, so I'm gonna have a POV video. Somebody gotta get in the car with me. Then I'm gonna have an outside video for y'all. So just stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, my birthday is September 30th. I'm trying to get to at least 500 subscribers. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you go click that red button, that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, a like for the video. Keep the video algorithm going up. And y'all stay tuned for this. Got the fire lineup too, though. Show y'all this, man. Got Chris Mustang right here. Got the fire burble tune. Got the 3.7 right here, the Q50. Got my G37. Then Gabe 392 RT. And before we get some videos of Gabe swinging this shit too, cause this joint go crazy right there. And Chris shit too, I ain't even gonna lie. But alright, yeah, I'm gonna tune back in with y'all when I start doing whatever I start doing. Y'all gonna see my fails, my fuck ups, my goods, my bads. So just stay tuned. Make sure you drop some comments down below, some good advice and some good techniques, I guess. Alright, yeah, so give y'all a little quick POV real quick, see what's going on. Hopefully the camera don't fall. Okay, y'all see what I'm doing though. Y'all see it though, so. That was fun, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm about to start getting back, getting into shit like that, cause that was pretty fun. How it look? It look like I'm getting a little better, huh? Bet that. Let this shit cool down. Yeah, y'all, so that's my little quick footage right there, me learning how to swing my shit. Make sure again you like, comment, and subscribe, man. I'm trying to get to 500. Again, 500. Look at Chris in the background. He moved out the way, like, let me get out the fucking way. But where niggas about to mop to? Oh, hold on. See what bro about to do. Okay. He cutting up. Bro cutting up. That's how you do it. You see the G family. As a matter of fact, you see the Fit family, matter of fact. Yo, that shit look good. I ain't going front, bro. You definitely know how to slide your shit for sure.
That was like my first good time.
Yeah, that shit definitely moved too. I ain't even gonna lie. I like how you made that shit come back. Look, you swapped it one way. Yo, Ed definitely know what he doing, yo. Ed know what he doing for sure, bruh. Watch when we get our practice going on, man. All we need is a little 350 or some shit. Like, start fucking beating the hell out of that. We made homeboy down there get out his car like, what the hell? Right? He like, what the hell going on? Where the party at? What I'm missing? But yeah, man. I'm gonna get y'all some nice footage of us just mobbing, driving through town and shit. We about to just chop it up and see what's going on. So just stay tuned for the rest of this video. That shit sound like thunder, nigga. God damn. God damn. We out here just mobbing, y'all. Chilling, got the cars lined up. Taking some fucking pics.
Side bitch at the other side. What the fuck? It's 5 p.m. somewhere. Shut up,
But yeah, we just chilling and shit. Once we get on the road, we had a cop over here not too long ago. He probably in some of the pictures I answered right here. But once we get on the road and rolling and shit, I'm gonna get y'all some nice POV footage. Want to bring something different to the channel for y'all, show y'all some things I usually don't do. So once again, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we in traffic now with it. You see Ant back there, Chris on the side. Oh shoot. It's Sunday really, and I got work at 6 o'clock, so everybody about to just hang it up, call it a night. Chris cutting up. Y'all be safe when y'all doing this too. But yeah, like I was saying before they started cutting up and shit, I'm about to get off the exit myself too. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Mo, and I'm out. Peace.
Turn right.